Want to create a business email with Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once you're in, click on the Emails tab from the main panel. In the Email section, click on the Setup button. A pop-up window titled Setup New Plan will appear. Choose a domain from your available options and click on Confirm. Hostinger will then display different email plans. Compare them and select the one that suits you best. Click Select to proceed. And if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, just use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. Next, enter your desired email name and create a secure password. Click on Create to finalize the setup. You'll then be directed to an overview page. Scroll down to the email account section, where you'll find the Hostinger webmail direct link. Click on it. Enter your password. And your inbox will open. And you'll see that you got a business email from Hostinger there. And that's how you can set up a business email on Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.